used to be scared. This is my military macaw, guys. It's beautiful, isn't it? He used to be scared of my hands before. Trying to take my nails off, naughty boy, look. Look how crazy they are. They're trying to take my nail off. Like basically, if I give him like 2 seconds, he'll take my fingers off. He's trying to do it, but in a playful way. Let me see, that's the first time I've got him properly. Listen, look how beautiful he is, guys. So check his back out, son, yeah? And show his tail on that, yeah? He's got a white and black tongue. As you can see, it's not a white face, it's like a reddish white face actually. And he's got that red plumage there. That's what makes him the military and the green. I think it was the US military that, what's that word? That got him from Mexico and all these countries, you know? Next to Mexico, surrounding countries. Ow! Cheeky monkey. He didn't hurt me too much. Look, there's nothing. I just got a bit scared. You got me a bit scared, baby. He's got that smelly breath in his.
And it smells like
mouthwash.
And it smells like
It's not like Charlie's mouth, is it?
No, that's the same as Charlie, but his one's smellier because like it's fruit. His breath smells like fruit and seeds is mixed with pellets and that stuff.
This is all a grooming process, guys. You remember that. It's okay, baby. Obviously, still a bit scared, but some people can't even do this to their birds, honestly. And we've only had him 2 days in our house, you know? Okay? He's the new one, guys, so he's not the breeding, yeah? Let me see if he's gonna let me touch his tail, yeah? Oh, he don't like it, can you see? He's okay, baby, I'm not gonna do it then. I'm gonna do it slowly, yeah? Such a good boy. Such a good boy. Yeah, you want to turn it off? You want to turn it off now, Eunice? Please just do it. It's too much long video now. I don't like taking this